Welcome back guys, and in your MI phone, if your mobile data is on but internet is not working, not coming, there is no internet, then how will you fix this issue? What will I will tell you in this video? 5 6 7 I think 6 7 things I will tell you. Before going to the repair shop, you need to do these things. You need to check these things in MI phone, and you can also do that things in your Samsung or other mobile. They are at the similar place in the setting menu. So if you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel after watching this. Not wasting much of your time, so just first of all, what you need to do, go to the setting and then go to the connection and sharing, and here go below, and one thing, reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Just this will reset all network setting including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. You will have to do this for both the carriers. Here Vodafone and Airtel is there, so I will do it for both the carrier. Reset setting, just click here, it will ask for pattern, give, and now it will take this might take several seconds. Many people ask me that some data will be lost or not. So no data will go, only passwords related to Wi-Fi will go, and you have to re-enter this password. That's all. So reset it. Now just go to the Vodafone and then reset it. Okay, done, it has been reset. So this was the first thing what I wanted to tell you. After doing this, you might not get that issue with internet. Your internet will work after switching on the mobile data. If it is not working, then what will you do? The second thing what you need to do is see correct network type has been selected or not. How? Go to the SIM card networks, go to the first SIM, and here preferred network type, it is 5G LTE. This should be selected, properly selected, and go for the second SIM, and here see preferred network type is selected or not. So this one thing you can also do, use VoLTE to improve the quality of the voice call. This should be also you can turn on. So this was the second thing what you need to check. The third thing is you have to choose the network manually or automatically. How will you do that? Go to the SIM card and mobile networks, corresponding SIMs. You have to do this for both of your SIMs if your phone is having dual SIMs. Otherwise, do with your first SIM, the single SIM. Then mobile networks, and here you have to simply, it will automatically choose the preferred network. But if you are going other than your home region, in roaming region, then you should just tap it here. Your device will only connect to the networks you select manually. In this case, the network list will be populated. All the networks which are available here will be populated here, and then we have to select our network manually. So if your network is not coming, then now I am doing it is searching. If your network is not available, do this 2-3 times, and after that select your network. It will take some time. It is still searching. It can take up to 2-3 minutes also. Finally it came, and now select our network, and it is registered on the network. So this is what you have to do, and after doing this your problem might get solved. But it is still not solving, then what you need to do, you need to check your data. If you are not in the home region, you are outside the home region, your roaming is on or not. Go to the advanced setting and check data roaming. So it should be on, and after that if your problem is still there, then what you need to do, go to the SIM card, and here access point name is there. just reset it. What is happening? The access point names are the gateway through which your mobile is getting connected to internet. So by mistake, if any false things has come here, then just go there and reset this. It will be resetted to default. So now your just do for first sim and then change the mobile data for the second sim, and now go to the second sim, and here you will find, otherwise you will not find access point name for the Vodafone, and here also reset. So after doing these two things, your mobile should work, the internet should come. But if it is not coming, then just turn the flight mode on and then wait for some time and then turn on it. So your it should work now. But if it is still not working, try to reboot the phone, switch off the phone and then switch on the phone. Switch off phone can reset many things in your mobile, so your problem might get solved. So you have to do these things before taking to your mobile to repair shop. I believe that after doing network resetting, your phone should work. So if you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.